In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to fix your Afterpay account. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. For the method I'm gonna show you in this video, we're gonna be contacting the Afterpay customer support. All you have to do on this page is scroll all the way down. Over here at the bottom of the page, you will be able to see the Afterpay logo and a lot of options. Click Contact. As you can see, it's very small text, so I've highlighted it for you. It's under Connect. When you select Contact, you will be redirected to the Afterpay customer support. In this page, you will have a lot of topics that you can use to solve your issues. I recommend you choose this one. I need help to log in or to manage my account. It's the third one from the top. However, if your case falls under any of the other categories, make sure to select them instead. I'm just gonna go ahead and select this one to fix my account. I need help to log in or to manage my account. Immediately, you will be prompted to include details about your account and your credentials, so your name, date of birth, phone number, and your address. In this space over here, you will be able to tell them your issue. Make sure you tell them what you need help with in full. Give them all the necessary details and anything that you think is relevant to help you fix your account. As long as you include valid credentials and your problem is solvable after you submit the ticket, they will be in touch with you either through the email address or phone number that you provided, and you will be able to fix whatever problem is happening with your account. You simply have to contact them through the help center as I've shown you in this video. I hope I was able to help you on how to fix your Afterpay account. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.